Hi, welcome to my website. This is my website that I created in CSC. So first we're going to start off with the head page. So we just have my name and then just, a little about me. And then if you scroll down here, we have my contact information. So I put my home email, my student email, and then I put my number. And then I have the option of pressing back to the top, which will bring you back to the top. And I wanted to go with the blue theme for this website, so I have the flowers, I have a blue background, and then just a little bit more blue flowers. And then if you go to the top, you can see that there's domains, and then my book critiques for my children's lit class. So we're going to go to the domains page, and this was super fun to create. I was very proud with the layout that I had of all of the pages. So as you can go down, you see that we have the preparation and content knowledge, classroom environment, planning, instruction, and assessment. And then down here we have professional responsibility, diversity, and technology. And then for all of these, I have links that you can press to go and visit the pages. And I also have a back to the top button. So if we want to go to preparation and content knowledge, we can either go up here and press this button, or we can press the visit page. So we're going to go to the preparation and content knowledge. So this is all about presenting artifacts and accompanying descriptions with demonstrating command of the subject he or she will teach. So for this, I wanted to put the artifact of my SD standard of facilitator. And as you will learn in this class, it is super fun when you get to learn all of the different types of standards and all of the backgrounds to all of them. So I have my little reflection right here, and then I have my embedded artifact. And with the embedded artifact, you can go through, you can check out all of the different questions that we had, you can start a live quiz, and then if you want to, you can press the back to the top button, and then here you are, back to the top. And then I have my planning, instruction, and assessment. And so for this, it was the candidate presents artifacts and accompanying descriptions that demonstrate the ability to design coherent, developmentally appropriate instruction with effective assessment. So this was all about the CTML standards. And if you look here, you can go through and see all the different principles and all the different pages. And then I put a little reflection of my own, a little personal reflection as me teaching. And then just a little look at all of the backgrounds of the examples. And then I have classroom environment. And a big thing about this that I would suggest is choosing some fun colors that will captivate the person looking at the website. So for classroom environment, I did my presentation on the breadwinner, which we did in Children's Lit. And then I just have some pictures, examples, lesson plans like that. And I think that this might have been one of the hardest things I had to do because I used Prezi, which I've never used before. So it's always super good to try those different types of technology, which I've really learned from this class. And then if you go down to professional responsibility, this was all about picking those three parts of the professional responsibility of education that you really want to focus on. So I wrote my reflection right here. And then you can press back to the top. And then with a lot of these pages, I wanted to keep the same theme. So like professional responsibility, it was like the black and white. And then the last page was all colorful with orange. So for diversity, so this is going to be when you're actually in field, but I just wanted to add something just to fill up all the pages so nothing would feel like blank. But when you're making this website, you'll learn that it is okay to leave some websites blank for the future because you will continue to progress this website and fix it and make it your own. So I decided to do this teacher evaluation, which I did in my intro to education class. And then I just wrote like a mini reflection, and then you can also see all the different slides, which are super awesome. And then if you go down to technology, as you can see, I embedded this instructional tech tool snapshot assignment, which I got to do for my the CSC class, which you will do. And this was about breaking down a tech tool, so I decided to go with Google Slides, so I have my reflection right here. And then I have an example of what was to be covered within this little assignment. And then in your children's lit class, which you will either have taken or you'll take in the future, this was so fun. I really enjoyed planning this out because I got to add all of my little designs, and I have all of the 5 book critiques right here, and I have all the working links for these. And then we'll take a quick little look at some of them. So I have my first book critique, which has my YouTube website of the recording, and then I have all of my lists of the books, and then I just have all of them listed, all the descriptions, all the lesson plans, and this is the same for all of the book critiques. And then if you want to go back to the home page, then you can press home. And this website was super fun to make. There are, difficulties, but there are also really great aspects of learning how to make a website and how to plan everything out and all the different standards. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to contact me. I have all my contact information right here. And I hope that you enjoyed this website as much as I did. Thank you.